Guys, Sneh doesn't respect Mangwabe and Makumalo. But Makumalo, she doesn't take those things serious because Makumalo knows that Sneh is a child. You understand? Makumalo, she is trying by all her means to be a good person to Sneh, but Sneh those people a lot. You understand it? Mangwabe and Makumalo, they are not responsible for Sneh's mother's death. You understand it? They are not responsible because the Sneh, she doesn't not have evidence about her mother's death. You understand? Because the guys, that time Sneh's mother she passed away. She passed away. Sneh, she was very young. She doesn't know anything. You understand? But she is blaming Mangwabe and Makumalo. Why she doesn't not blaming Macele and Mayeni? Just because guys, Sneh, she respects Macele and Mayeni, but she doesn't like Mangwabe. You understand? That girl, she is very rude. She is very rude, Sneh, because look at Macele's kids. Look at Lwadle. Look at Abongwe. You understand? And Owami and Mpumelelo. They respect Mangwabe and Makumalo. You understand? They respect Mangwabe and Makumalo, those kids. If Macele, she is the one who tells Ned that she can hit Mangwabe and Makumalo. No, Macele, she is not responsible for that. Just because Macele's kids, they have respect to those people. You understand? Macele's kids, they respect Mangwabe and Makumalo. That girl, she is very rude. Even her father knows. Musamseleku, he can't control Sneh. You understand? He can't control his child because Sneh, she is very rude most of the times. She is very rude a lot because guys, that child, there is no one who can tell anything. That's why Musamseleku tells Sneh that she can stay alone in her house. You understand? She can stay alone because Sneh, she is very stubborn. She doesn't not listen anyone. Even the way she talks to Macele nowadays is better because she respects Macele. She can, guys, Sneh, she can do anything she wants without anyone who tells her. You understand? No one controls Sneh. She is very rude. I don't know, maybe she have got a bad spirit or what, because Makumalo and Mangwabe, they is not responsible for Sneh's mother's death. You understand? They are not responsible for that. Makumalo and Mangwabe, they are not responsible for that. So there is no reason to blame Mangwabe and Makumalo. You understand?